Hello everyone, this is me, Aman Khan, your own real estate broker. Today is a good news and a huge day for the GTA. People live in the GTA and overall in Canada, by the way. The reason I'm saying that, this is the 9th time rate has been cut last 2 years. So people were screaming and shouting that rate has been increased, but now it has been it's keep going down. So this is the 9th time. The Bank of Canada has cut its key overnight interest rate by 0.25 or 25 basis point, whatever you want to call, bringing it down to 2.25%. This is the second consecutive rate. It's not gonna cut it again because it just cut it last month, but it's cut it again this month. This is a great encouraging sign for homeowners and prospective buyers. This is a massive. While the bank is signaling it may be comfortably holding the rate here for a while, the direction is clear. Borrowing money is becoming more affordable. If you have variable rate mortgage, we will feel that relief almost immediately. And if you have been sitting on the sideline, this is the official sign that those high interest rate fear are starting to ease. It's a powerful injection for the confidence into our market. Now let's quickly look at the TRAB Market Watch data for the month of September. Before this rate cut news hit, the September proved that our market is highly resilient. We saw activity starting to stabilize, with many buyers capitalizing on the less competition and more focused opportunity. The average selling price in the GTA has remained steady, and indicating that September sales volume has been stronger since 2021 September. Demand remains fundamentally strong. What we saw in September was the market balancing out. Buyers who were ready to find better positioning and sellers who price strategically saw the result. The key takeaway from the pre-rate cut data is that the price flow remained strong across the GTA. So we had a stable September, and today we have a major interest rate cut. What does that mean for October? The real impact of this rate cut will be reflected in the upcoming TRAB October report. We'll be looking for the increasing buyer activity, better sentiment, and renewed energy in the market, all fueled by today's positive news. I'll be back again next week to break down the full October TRAB report and show you the direction and local impact of this 2.25 interest rate. Until then, if you are ready to discuss how this rate cut affects your personal buying power of your selling strategy, don't wait, just zip out to me directly. Let's talk about it, seizing the opportunity in this new market condition present. Stay informed, and I will see you next week.